Welcome everybody. Welcome to this another one course of Instagram marketing, which is the advance of Instagram marketing. So far we have learned a lot about the Instagram basics course and all that stuff. But this video and this entire course will let you know about the advanced knowledge in Instagram marketing. So far in the basics course, we have talked a lot about basic SEO, basic reel creation, posts creation, all that stuff. But this video and this entire course will let you know about the advanced tactics there are, which can eventually make you an advanced creator, and it will let your business to the next level, because the knowledge that you will get into this course is totally different and totally new to you guys from the basics course itself. And before getting started, let me introduce myself. My name is Patil, and I have been doing this Instagram all that stuff from quite a long time now. I would say 2 to 3 years, and I have been kind of helping people out there. I have been helping businesses out there to grow their social media accounts. I've worked with startups who had to grow their social media accounts and all those things. So I pretty much know that how, not of a lot of things, but I would say that I'm pretty qualified to tell you and to just share my experiences about these stuff like Instagram marketing and all those things. So that is why I wanted to share, I wanted to talk in this very video. And if you see the course curriculum very carefully, you will get to know that we have talked a lot about theme pages. Now, what are theme pages, how to create them, how to grow them, and in the end, how to actually make money from them, because it's all about money that you can get when you start a theme page, because you will paint an audience that can pay you. Audience will also pay you, as well as the Instagram will also pay you, the businesses will pay you, but all that will happen if you have a legit fast growing theme page. That is one thing that you need to understand, and that is all about what we have talked in this very course. And as well as on top of everything else, in this very course we have talked about how you can schedule the content, how to create high quality content, reels and posts and all that stuff, how to do the advanced SEO of the post, like the captions and hashtags, how to find them, how to schedule, and how to manage the whole calendar as well in an advanced level. What the advanced creators do, I have shared exactly that with you guys. So believe me when I say that you will get definitely advanced knowledge when you start this course and when you end this course. So stay tuned for this course until the end. I just hope that you just watch this course till the end, because you are going to get a lot of knowledge from this course that you won't get anywhere else. And that is what I wanted to tell in this very video. Once again, my name is Patil, and I will be your instructor for this course of Instagram advanced marketing. See you on the other side on the first module. Bye bye.